Experiencing microphone problems with your AirPods Pro 3 on Windows 11 is a common issue. This is caused by Bluetooth audio profiles and Windows drivers not properly communicating with the H2 chip in your AirPods. First, ensure AirPods Pro 3 are selected as the default input device in Windows Sound settings. Next, run the Bluetooth troubleshooter by going to Settings, System, then Troubleshoot. Check and update your Bluetooth drivers via Device Manager, focusing on Intel wireless Bluetooth or Realtek adapters. Make sure hands-free telephony is enabled in the device properties. If problems persist, toggle Bluetooth off and on in Settings, or reset your AirPods by pressing and holding the button on the back of the charging case. For advanced users, enable Developer Mode and use the Bluetooth CTL command line tool to manually pair devices. The underlying causes of these microphone problems are often outdated or generic Windows Bluetooth drivers that lack full support for Apple's audio enhancements. Packet loss and incorrect audio resolutions can result. Potential solutions include using updated drivers. Version 23.40.0 Plus from Intel has been reported to help, and avoiding generic Bluetooth adapters. Trends indicate that the issues will decrease over time. Microsoft and Apple are partnering for better cross-platform compatibility and integrating AirPods into Windows ecosystems. Windows 11's Copilot is expected to auto-diagnose and fix these issues, and Bluetooth 6.0 aims to unify standards and resolve microphone problems across devices. While hybrid work setups may still trigger some complaints, statistics show a clear drop in support tickets with each update.